best exercise there possibly is, the one that you will do consistently and enjoy and not cause you pain for the rest of your life. Now, for some people, that might be a deadlift. They might have perfect biomechanics for this, and that's something that they enjoy to do. Maybe their ego isn't driving them. Maybe they don't need to have a 600, 700 pound deadlift. Maybe 200, 300 is something that, whatever it is, maybe it's the mother of newborn twins, and they just enjoy picking stuff off the ground and don't care about the weight. The exercise that you're going to do, the most amount of consistency, is the best thing that there is. For some people, it could be a Turkish get-up. It could be a kettlebell swing. Chances are they're probably not just a machine in a gym, but probably it's a full body movement. But it could be push-ups. If someone loves to do push-ups, and that's what they do, that's what keeps them, if they drop down and do 20 push-ups through the day, that is the one thing. Maybe they absolutely can't stand doing squats with a barbell. Why are we trying to force people to do so? The exercise that is best for a person is the one that they're going to do consistently, that helps them feel good physically, mentally, and emotionally. All right? So what is that exercise for you? Let me know down below.